As we have learned the ordered and unordered lists, let's learn how to nest a list inside another list. So first I'm gonna create an ordered list using the OL tag. Inside the ordered list we will have some items. First item would be languages, then we have, let's say, editors, then we have browsers. If I save the file, you can see there is a ordered list in our web page. Ordered lists are preceded by decimal numbers. So you can see the lists start with a decimal number 1, 2, 3, like that. So let's say here in the languages list item, I want another list of some languages. So after languages, let me put a colon, then hit enter. Here I'm gonna write another list by using the OL tag. So opening OL and closing OL. And here we can give list items. Let's say here I'm gonna give HTML. Then let's say I have another language, CSS. Then we have JavaScript. If I save the file, you can see we have a list which has list items, languages, editors, and browsers. And this language list item has another list which contains HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We can also change the type of the list by writing the type attribute. So in the first ordered list of the main ordered list, actually, I'm gonna put the type attribute and give a value capital A. And if I save the file, you can see the main list is preceded by capital English letters. I can set the type in the sub list as well. So I'm gonna put the type attribute here, and let's say I'm gonna give here small I, which will show Roman numbers. So here is the example. We have ordered list inside another ordered list. We can have unordered list inside ordered list. We can have ordered list inside unordered list. We can have unordered list inside unordered list. Every kind of nesting is possible, what you can think of. Let's say in the editors list item, I want another list. So I'm gonna put the colon here and expand the list item. Let's say I want unordered list here. So I'm gonna write the UL tag here, and inside the UL tag I'm gonna give some lists. For example, we have Notepad, then we have VS Code, then we have Atom. And if I save the file, you can see we have an unordered list inside the editors list item. So we can change the type here as well. So I'm gonna write the type attribute, and here I'm gonna give the value, let's say square. And if I save the file, you can see the list items are preceded by square symbol. Let me copy the main ordered list and paste that. Let me make the main ordered list unordered list, closing unordered list, and change the type here to disk. If I save the file, you can see we have another main list, which is an unordered list with disk symbol, and then we have sub lists. This is the ordered list and this is the unordered list. So you can see we can also make unordered list as the main list, then we can nest ordered list inside that unordered list. So let's say in this third list item, which is browsers, we want to add another list which will be ordered list. So I'm gonna put the OL tag, and here let's say we have a list item which is Chrome, then we have Firefox, and then we have Edge. Let me set the type here small a. If I save the file, you can see this browser unordered list item has another list inside it, which is a ordered list, and those are preceded by small English letters. So like this you can nest ordered or unordered list inside a ordered list, or you can nest ordered and unordered list inside a unordered list. So any nesting you can think of is possible. You just need to try that out.